Hey, I'm Chris Denise.
I'm Stephanie Rose.
I'm Katie Carey.
We're here in Hotlanta, Georgia.
At the Coca-Cola World Headquarters.
Accepting the Ice Bucket Challenge, raising awareness and support for ALS research in support of our good friend Pete Frates, who's such an inspiration to us all.
Let's do this.
Cheers,
Cheers to
Team
Frate
Frate.
Train.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Oh
Yeah.
my god! Oh my god!
All right.
Are we doing all? Oh my god!
Now for round two.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright,
One,
ready?
two, three. All right. I now nominate Jenna Denise, Megan English, Alejandro Montenegro, and Jeff Burns. You're up next.
Alright, I nominate Valerie Lounsbury, Belen Borda, Carmen Hovich, Tiff Otero, and Gianna.
I nominate Mom, Riley Carey, Amanda Butler, Lisa Crowley, and Carrie Watkins.
Woo!
You guys have 24 hours.
24 hours!